Rub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub, nice and clean, the happiest bath you've ever seen. Splash, splash, bubbles high, little duckies floating by. Wash your hands, wash your toes, wash your cheeks and tiny nose. Wash your hair with bubbly foam, make a bubble crown at home. Rinse it gently, nice and slow, watch the sparkling water flow. Wash your shoulders, wash your knees, wash your elbows if you please. Wash your fingers one by one, keeping clean is lots of fun. Splash, splash, bubbles bright, everything is clean and white. Soap and water scrub away, happy bath time every day. Yellow duck says quack, 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 blue little boat goes there and back. Colorful fish swim all around, making happy splashing sounds. 1, 2, 3, bubble pop. 4, 5, 6, don't you stop. 7, 8, 9, 10, let's wash all over once again. Wrap up warm in a fluffy towel, dry your hair without a scowl. Put on pajamas soft and bright, now you're cozy for the night. Splash, splash, smile so wide, clean and happy with lots of pride. Brush your teeth and hug goodnight, sweet dreams till the morning light. Bath time's over, wave goodbye, stars are twinkling in the sky. See you tomorrow, sing along, bath time makes us healthy and strong.